Hi everyone. I wanted to create this screencast in addition to the welcome and introductions video, just because I wanted to be explicitly clear about how Canvas works and how you'll be able to find what you need in Canvas in order to be successful throughout the semester. As you can see, this is the homepage for our class. As you scroll down, you see my contact email address, but keep in mind that I prefer to be contacted via the messaging feature in your Canvas account. As you scroll down, you will see important dates and deadlines, starting with the first day of class, the refund deadline, the day you must have your textbook, the self-withdrawal deadline, along with the day that I will withdraw you, as well as the last day to turn in assignments. These dates will remain on the homepage throughout the semester. You will also find the corresponding video to whatever module we're in on the homepage. I also want to draw your attention to how assignments will be weighted. The online discussion posts are worth, here we go, 20% of your grade. So keep in mind they're only worth 6 points a piece, but the weight that they carry is significant. Class activities will often provide you with the opportunity to interact with other members of our course, and you will upload evidence of that interaction worth 25% of your final grade. Review quizzes are worth 20% of your grade, and writing assignments are worth 35%. The culminating final paper for our course will be a final literature review, and each piece of that large assignment will contribute toward this portion of your grade. Remember, the point value for each assignment is not as indicative of the assignment's impact on your overall grade as how the assignment is weighted. So like I mentioned in the welcome and introductions video, I realize it's really tempting to scroll down and use this list or the course calendar to decide what assignments to complete. However, I strongly encourage you to come over to the navigation bar on the left-hand side and click the Modules tab. Under this tab, you will see that Module 0 is broken down into a few different sections. We have to read, to watch, to discuss, to do, and test. Every module is broken down in this way. I think you'll find this as a pretty comprehensive format for you to walk through each step of the module. So as an example, M0, keep in mind M stands for module. Our goal for the next week is to introduce ourselves and provide a course overview. To read over the course of the next week, you'll need to read our syllabus and this document, How to Email Your Professor, that we discussed in the introductions video. You're required to watch this video, which will be posted somewhere in here, along with the welcome and introductions piece, along with a Canvas overview, how to submit an assignment in class, how to participate in a discussion board, how to check your grade. Basic computer skills are necessary in being successful in our course, and as an online student, you will need to master Phoenix College's learning management system called Canvas. Under the To Discuss tab, you will find that the required discussion post for the week is found here. As a reminder, your initial post is always due by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and responses to your classmates are due on Sunday by, again, 11:59 p.m. Make note, only the final deadline of Sunday will show up on your course calendar, so set a reminder in your phone, write it in a calendar, do whatever you need to do in order to remember that Wednesday deadline for your initial post. The assignments under the To Do tab will vary from one module to the next. In M0, you're required to submit a picture of your textbook, but oftentimes assignments related to your final literature review will be found in this tab. Finally, the To Test tab contains weekly textbook chapter quizzes. You are able to take these tests as many times as you like to get the grade that you want. Take advantage of that opportunity. Students who have taken this course in the past have enjoyed the cushion this policy gives to your grade. Answers to all chapter quizzes can be found within the chapter in focus. So that's our little breakdown of how to find what you need to be successful. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email me, and good luck.